Good morning everyone. I wanna show you what I'm gonna have today. I bought we call it saba. It's some kind of one of the banana family. We call it saba in Philippines. Is this one. What I'm going to do is peel this off and cook it in grill. It's been years and years since the last time I had the grill banana without peel, but from Philippines. But a month ago we went to Thailand or Thai festival in Austin, and I saw somebody's cooking something, so I got curious, so I went back and I saw they are grilling unpeeled banana, but it's very tiny one. It's about this small. So I bought, it's $6 for 6 pieces, the tiny one. So it's like $1 a piece. But it's good though. But because it's been a long time since I had it, so I wanna have it again. So that's why when we went to the Ranch 99, I saw this. So I said I'm gonna try to cook it myself. But I never done it here in US. It's just back home in Philippines. I already put what do you call this? I already put this. To help me to let this charcoal. I already put some little bit a while ago. So I hope it won't take long. I don't know guys, we have a gas grill right here beside me, but I prefer to use the charcoal one. And this is what I'm gonna use for the charcoal, a tiny rake. And also I want to show you something, friends, everyone. I had a bucket here. I did this yesterday. Then I put all my produce peel, and that's what I'm going to water all my vegetable as a fertilizer. And I'm going to wait 3 days before I use it. I don't really use fertilizer that you can get from the store. Well, I rather to have my own. What I've been using a lot is the banana peel. I saw it in YouTube that can help for your plants. Banana peel. You have to put it in the water for 3 days before you can use it. So I'm just gonna wait until this charcoal's ready for this banana. Oop. Okay, I see you again. Bye.